Want to change your Viber profile picture to a new photo? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to change your Viber profile picture, you will need to open the Viber application on your mobile phone. Once the app is open, you should tap on the More tab, which is usually represented by a three-dot icon. At the very top of the More screen, tap directly on your current profile picture or the placeholder icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can tap on the small camera icon that is on your picture. You can then choose to either take a new photo with your camera or select an existing one from your gallery. After you have selected and adjusted your new picture, simply tap the checkmark or save button to set it. And that's how you can change your Viber profile picture. A simple way to update your profile and personalize your account. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.